Nikon Z8 Mirrorless Review. Mini Z9 that crushes photo and video. Frustrated with slow cameras, missed shots, or clunky gear that hinders creativity? Feeling stuck juggling multiple bodies or struggling with blackout viewfinders? Wasting time chasing focus and frame perfection instead of capturing the moment? It's overwhelming when your equipment can't keep up, leaving you frustrated and second-guessing every shot. Professional results shouldn't feel impossible. They should be effortless. The pressure mounts with deadlines, live events, or wildlife action. A split-second lost can ruin the perfect shot. Stress builds as subjects move unpredictably, lighting changes, and every missed frame costs opportunity and creativity. Without responsive, intelligent tools, your workflow slows, fatigue sets in, and the frustration of equipment limitations threatens your art and professional reputation. Enter the Nikon Z8 Mirrorless Camera paired with the FTZ II Mount Adapter, a hybrid powerhouse designed for photographers and filmmakers. Its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and EXPEED 7 processor deliver blistering speed, stunning resolution, and near-zero rolling shutter distortion via all-electronic shutter. With autofocus powered by deep learning, it tracks humans, animals, and vehicles effortlessly. Capture 8K UHD 60p and 4K 120p video internally with cinematic precision, while flexible file formats like RAW 14-bit, RAW, and ProRes RAW HQ maximize post-production control. Burst modes up to 120 frames per second ensure no action escapes. One wildlife photographer shared, "The pre-release capture feature saved shots of a bird mid-flight that I'd never have gotten otherwise." The FTZ II Adapter lets you seamlessly use over 360 f-mount lenses with full functionality, preserving autofocus and VR. Compact, weather-sealed, and rugged, the Z8 combines high-end photo and video capabilities into a lightweight body ready for any professional scenario. Why is the Z8 turning heads among professionals? Experts rave about its hybrid performance, reliability, and speed. TechRadar calls it the best hybrid camera for professionals, praising the 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, 8K video support, and 20 frames per second burst, all in a smaller Z9-inspired body. DP Review highlights its superior autofocus and reduced rolling shutter, while cinematographer reviewers note internal ProRes RAW recording as a workflow game-changer. Influencers and users share glowing experiences. A wedding photographer says, "The autofocus never misses the bride and groom's eyes, even in chaotic receptions." A landscape shooter notes, "Dynamic range and detail capture are insane. I've never seen this in a compact body." The FTZ II Adapter keeps your beloved f-mount lenses fully functional, and dual CF Express and XQD card slots ensure uninterrupted shooting. Whether capturing wildlife, sports, weddings, or cinematic sequences, the Z8 delivers professional-grade image quality, blazing fast AF, and unmatched versatility. Its compact magnesium alloy body, intuitive controls, and robust video features create a seamless workflow, allowing you to focus entirely on creativity, storytelling, and perfection in every frame. Don't let gear limitations hold back your creativity. Secure the Nikon Z8 with FTZ II Adapter today. Limited stock is moving fast, so act now. Join photographers and filmmakers already capturing stunning 45.7 megapixel stills and cinematic 8K footage with unmatched speed and accuracy. Whether you're shooting action, weddings, wildlife, or cinematic content, the Z8 elevates your craft. Seize this opportunity, upgrade your workflow, and never miss a critical moment again. Your next masterpiece starts here.